Thank you.
Georgia Tech Police, how can I help you?
Hey, I'm over at West Village. It looks like there's somebody like skulking around outside. It looks like he's got a knife in his hand. I think he might have a gun on his hip.
Okay, West Village.
It looks like he might be drunk or something.
Give me a description of he, sir.
Got long blonde hair, white T-shirt, jeans.
Long blonde hair, white T-shirt, and jeans. Okay. White male, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, at West Village, where is he? What is he next to?
He's just like right across West Village, just on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk.
Walking kind of slow.
Okay. You want to leave your name in case we got any more questions, sir?
Sure. Scott Schultz.
Scott? Okay, Scott. Hey, that phone number you calling from?
That's right.
Okay. Thank you, Scott. We're en route.
All right.
All right.